Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Honda Insight hybrid system works. The Insight utilizes an integrated motor assist, or IMA, system. This innovative design pairs a gasoline engine with a compact electric motor. The electric motor is strategically placed between the engine and transmission, allowing it to seamlessly assist the engine. This setup enhances fuel efficiency and provides a boost of power when you need it most, making for a smooth driving experience. When you're driving at lower speeds, the electric motor can often propel the car by itself, saving gasoline. As you accelerate or need more power, both the gasoline engine and the electric motor work in tandem, providing robust performance. At cruising speeds, the engine takes the lead, efficiently driving the wheels. The system intelligently switches between these modes to optimize fuel economy and power delivery, ensuring a responsive and efficient ride. One clever aspect of the Insight's hybrid system is regenerative braking. When you slow down or apply the brakes, the electric motor reverses its function. Instead of consuming power, it acts as a generator, converting the car's kinetic energy back into electricity. This energy is then stored in the battery pack, effectively recharging it. This process significantly improves overall efficiency by recovering energy that would otherwise be lost as heat. Another key efficiency feature is the automatic engine stop-start system. When the car comes to a complete stop, like at a traffic light, the gasoline engine seamlessly shuts off. This conserves fuel and reduces emissions, restarting instantly when you release the brake pedal. This intelligent management of power sources ensures maximum fuel economy in various driving conditions. For more great content and deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.